This is the Lexus IS 350 F Sport. This is the brand new 2021 model, and as you can see, I'm turning on cruise control now. Radar cruise with lane keeping assist, or lane track assist as it's called here. So I'm going to show you guys what it's like with your hands off the wheel. You can see that it's making little adjustments here using the camera and radar systems in the car. So you can see that I can bring the screen up right here. It's telling me to hold the steering wheel, so I'm holding the steering wheel to show it that I'm active here. You can see the lines right there. It means that it's tracking in the lane. If I want to change my distance for how much space it's keeping between me and the car in front, I can tap this button here. So 3 car lengths, 2 car lengths, or 1 car length. Of course, to adjust the speed, I can hit up or down on the cruise stock. You can see my speed is set at 68 miles an hour, but because this truck is in front of me, it is going at 61. So it's locked into the lane here. You can see we're on a curve, and the road is about to curve to the left again. So we'll see how it handles that in about 3, 2, 1. Let's see if it curves to the left. I'm watching my mirrors there to make sure no one's there. I'm holding the wheel so that it knows I'm attentive. I'm not falling asleep at the wheel. And as you can see, it's doing a pretty good job of staying in the lane here. Super quick ad plug. This video is brought to you by audible.com. If you want to help support the channel, check out audible.com using the link below. Whenever you sign up, it helps me get a little bit of gas money. And if you want to check out the main channel, it's youtube.com/shouldIGetIt. Now back to the video. It's going to straighten out. And there we go. Now let's see if I take over and I shift lanes, if it will start tracking this lane and then cruise at 68 miles an hour. It is doing that. If I want to speed up, let's say to 72. I'm going to hit the stock here. You can see there's a merge lane. Is it going to get confused? It's holding on pretty well here. Oh, it wanted to shift to the left there. That was a little bit scary. Interesting that it had that issue after the merge lane and the gap. So I'm going to slow it down here, take over with my control. I'm going to change the car into eco mode as well, just because I don't need to be in Sport Plus when I'm cruising. You can see we have blind spot monitoring turned on there, and I'm going to hit down on the stock to turn on cruise control again. You can see that it locked in the distance to that Acura RDX that's in front of us. It's locked in the lanes, and so now it's going to try and keep me in the center of the lane. Again, my hands are off the wheel. It's probably going to ask me in a couple seconds right there. Lane tracking assist. Put your hand on the wheel. Let me know that you are alive and active. You're not falling asleep. And here we go. So it is keeping us in the lane. We're doing 59 miles an hour right now because there's a car in front of us. Same thing, just touch the steering wheel, let it know that you're active. And then whenever you want to take over, you can put your foot down. That'll turn off cruise. It will keep lane keep for you until you hold the steering wheel and then you take over. So I'm going to show you what that's like. I'm going to do the speed manually. So I turn on cruise, but I'm now controlling it by hitting pause there. Radar is on in terms of the distance we want to keep from the car in front of us, so I'm braking on my own. We'll see if it stays in the lane. It's trying to. You can hear that it hit the little bump guards on the right side. We have a curve here on the off-ramp. It's not going to know what to do, so I'm going to take over. But that is a quick demonstration of the lane tracking assist and radar cruise control in the 2021 Lexus IS 350. And we'll just end the video on a fun note, put it into Sport S Plus, put my foot down. The car did not downshift into the proper gear, so we didn't get much. We got the engine sound, but I'll just cut it right here so you guys can hear what it sounds like taking off the light. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for the next one. Peace. I'll downshift into first gear here. There you go. So if you were wondering if it has enough power, being that it's not a turbocharged V6, I'll let you decide. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.